Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today, you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Naked New Year. This is part of an exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped-up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this tutorial and or many other full-length ones that I have available for exclusively for the Patreons, or learning more about the Patreon membership program where there's a bunch of other painting benefits that you get to utilize to increase your painting skills. I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a beautiful figure watching some fireworks, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.